Back to the 20-yard line, and Erickson takes a big hit from Derek Watt, and Watt looks like he is down.
Who set it down for Oakland? Play fake, Palmer to the end zone, broken up. Hayward Bay.
It's a little bit of both.
Well, we're going to find out a little later. Oh, my goodness. Oh, Allen Hurns.
Buying time, extending the play as he has been doing for years, and that pass is incomplete, and Miller really takes a shot.
Man rush. Dalton steps up. He tucks it and runs and slides and gets hit by Bostic.
So Wilson throws. Sidney Rice. Game over. See ya.
The 37-yard line. Brady stepping up. Deep downfield, wide open. Brandon Cooks. And he gets smacked down at the 40-yard line, taking some shot there.